What it do? We back for day 4. Girl, I want to say it's day 4. I did not record this morning because I was running late and gotta make that money. But so just got off work, you know, nothing fancy. But I actually got a topic. Thank you, Jake, for actually leaving me a topic because I don't know what's going on, okay? Like, if we want me to make these videos and this little car, little thing, I need something to talk about. So Jake's question was basically, hold on. His question was about like mannequin heads and like beginner friendly mannequin heads. So when it comes to mannequin heads, well, I'll just tell you about like how I really got into like having a lot. So I probably have gone over like 30, 40 mannequins in my life. But that I just started just going to the beauty supply store and getting a little cheap zebra mannequin head. Everyone knows what a zebra is, or the Whitney. It's probably like the most basic, most common mannequins that there are because they're just so cheap and like accessible. Like literally every damn beauty supply store used to have them. I don't know about now because I don't really go to the beauty supply store to get mannequins. So, but yeah, it was like the little $40 mannequins. Like the hair wasn't super long. What is this? What did somebody run over? Oh no, she did not. Now who? Y'all missed it. But that black truck right there just literally cut in front of everybody. Who, girl, who gives you the right? Anyway, sorry, I had to show y'all because people cannot drive. I swear to y'all, people cannot drive. So, like I was saying, people get it together. I started off just using the little cheap mannequins. My mom used to buy me them for like my birthday or like, no, honestly, for my birthday really. And like Christmas and stuff, like I would get like them. But honestly, get what you can afford. If you gotta afford, if you gotta get the synthetic ones, those, oh, excuse me, those work, okay? If you wanna learn how to practice, it just depends on what you're trying to do. Like if you're trying to do coloring, then obviously you can't do a synthetic one because you can't color synthetic hair. But like if you're just trying to do like braid styles and get you a cheap little synthetic $20 Harlem mannequin head, you good to go. Amazon and eBay and just everywhere has thousands of synthetic mannequins. It's crazy. And I'll do my little card. I have a video on me unboxing and actually doing a hairstyle on the synthetic mannequin. And actually, I honestly like, I'm not gonna say I like doing it better on the, like styling better on a synthetic mannequin, but the style like was easier on a mannequin with synthetic hair because like it is synthetic, so the hair isn't like super silky and soft, so it kind of like held the shape that I needed to do. So I actually like doing hair on synthetic mannequins. Now, if you're trying to do colors and stuff, that's where you can just go to your local beauty supply store, even like Google like on Sally's. I mean, Sally's has like cheap ones, but they're like $70, and for that you can get like longer ones on Amazon. You can either go to your beauty supply store, or even go on Amazon and eBay. Go to Goodwills, go to any thrift stores, because I found a lot of my really expensive mannequins that I have, that I showed, or that I'm going to show, depending on when that video goes up. I got them for like $4 at Goodwill. So, I mean, they're probably they're not in the best shape, but I revived them and they're decent. They're expensive mannequins. Like, one of the mannequins like $300, and yes, she has writing on her face, but her hair wasn't even cut. So yeah, I took that and I paid $5. So that's what I'm saying. Y'all just gotta look out. Go to garage sales, because a lot of people have them. Like a lot of cosmetologists have them, and then like once they like don't even use them anymore, they just sell them for like dirt cheap, or even they probably throw them away. A lot of people do throw them away, but just start off with finding like any cheap ones online or going to thrift stores, because you'll actually find a decent amount of them. And then like, so I used to shop on eBay, but now I just do Amazon. It's just a preference, I guess. But actually, yeah, I'm gonna go. Yeah, so now I just stick strictly, if I'm doing it online, like from like Amazon, I'm just doing it on there. I don't ever go on eBay anymore, just because I just feel like on eBay there's not really so we're gonna pause from this little conversation. I'm going to need old people to get their license revoked. Get them, because what in the world? So I'm driving, right? And I'm about to hit like a little intersection. Why would this man jump out slowly right in front of me? That's why I just braked, because I was just like, that's what we doing today? That's how you feeling? Like, really? And it's always old people who just be, either they drive hella slow, drive hella crazy, or just drive stupid. And it's just like, I don't have the time. Like, ugh. If you can't drive correctly, I'm gonna need for you to hop out that car, baby. But anyway, yeah, so on Amazon, the main brands that I've like now like bought from more recently, I guess, because I haven't bought one in a while actually, but would be from Ballerino, which I normally get my Janes, the super long 30-inch ones. I have like 3 unboxings of them, or a few unboxings of them. I'll link up there. And I also order from Hair Z-Tar. It's like Hair Z and then T-A-R, so I don't know what that is. But yeah, I've ordered from them, and their mannequins are like 40 bucks, and they're pretty decent. They're actually really decent for 40 bucks. And then I also ordered from, what was it, Silky? And that mannequin she pretty good, so I like her. She was, I think, also like 30 or 40. What the hell? You know what? I ain't even gonna say nothing about his car, because his car was a hot ass mess. But you know what? It's working. He going where he going. Like his front car, his license was missing. It was in the window. His hood was duct taped shut. Honey. But I keep getting sidetracked. I'm sorry, y'all. Yeah, so there's a lot of places you can find cheap mannequins that will do the job. You don't have to buy no expensive mannequins like my goofy self does. You don't gotta do all of that. I advise you not to, especially like if you're a beginner, like you said, Jake. If you're a beginner, I would recommend you get an expensive mannequin, because like if you jack it up, that was a whole bunch of money that, you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of, I'm looking kind of nice or whatever. Anyway, yeah, so I would just recommend just go to Amazon, find you a little cheap mannequin, just get the job that gets the job done. You know what I'm saying? Honey, go. Who's honking, first of all? I think that girl thought I was honking at her, but I didn't even honk this one, honey. Wasn't me, boo. Wasn't me. Yeah. I think that's it, right? Where else? I'm trying to think where else I got mannequins from. Now, but here's like a big tip. If you're ordering online, make sure that it says, like if you're trying to get 100% human hair, make sure it says 100% human hair, because they will jack you up and making you think you're getting 100% human hair by throwing 100% human hair quality or something like that. Make sure it says 100% human hair, no animal hair, no synthetic hair. Like, people get on my nerves. He might want to get off my ass, because I will brake. I'm not gonna brake check him because he a big ass truck. However, I will slow right down, and if he tap me, bitch, my neck broke, and he paying for it. How about that? But like I was saying, make sure that the mannequin says 100% human hair. Don't get nothing that says 100% human hair like or premium quality. If it don't say 100% human hair, also look at the reviews. And I'm glad on Amazon you can like look at pictures of like what people like. So like if I bought one, I can upload a picture with my review. So you can look at people's picture reviews as well. So that's always handy, because that is the truth. Because I've seen a lot of mannequins I was gonna buy, but then I looked in the reviews and I've seen people take pictures of them and they look nothing like that mannequin, or that mannequin was jacked up. So just be aware, because a lot of people will try and scam you out your money, and you don't got time to be getting them coins snatched. So just be aware of shady companies, because they will try it. They really would. That answers your question. Just be careful, be patient. Don't just buy anything you see. Like I said, I have tons of mannequin head review videos, so just watch those, because they will help you out, because I go into detail with them. So yes, thank you for sending me a topic, Jake. I see I had something to talk about, although I was getting a little heated with this little big old truck behind me, but that's all right. That's okay. I'm alive still. So I'm gonna go. If I do anything today, which I doubt, because I don't know why it's just been so gloomy, like but anyway, I'm leaving. I'll see you guys tomorrow, or maybe later. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. Ooh, and I'm gonna holler at you on my next video.